Hi and welcome to another tutorial on OpenLMS, and this time this is for students. If it is your first time to use OpenLMS, what you will need to do first is to log in to the website. So all you have to do is to write or to type rmmc.myopenlms.net and you will be directed to this page. So you will see the login button here, and on your upper rightmost corner you will find it too. So either of these two, you can just use them, okay? So gamito natin ng isa and then we log in. Now, you have been provided with your ID number and your default password. So I have created two student accounts. What I'm going to be using now is the one that has not been used yet. So your username is your ID number. Don't forget that. So you have a 10-digit ID number or identification number, which you will have to input in the username entry field. So I will input mine and then so you know the default password is one capital letter, that's the first letter, and then a number and a special character. So, i-input lamang po yun. Okay? And then if your password and username is correct, therefore, this will be the first screen that you will normally see. Okay, you are required to change your password. Now, in changing password, it's very important that you remember it. So, para hindi malimutan, I suggest you encode it in Notepad or kung ano man yung notes na app sa inyong phone. So you will not forget it because there are a lot of students who change their passwords and then they forgot the password, so they ask for a reset. Okay, but if in case you forgot your password, all you have to do is to tell your teacher or your program director, and then they will ask for the assistance of the tech support for the password reset. And when it's reset, so the default password will be used again, okay, as your password, initial password, which then you will have to change. Okay, so the default password is the one that has been provided to you, and then encode your new password. I hope that will not um, produce an error. Okay, and then save it. And don't forget to remember your new password. Okay, it says a new password must be different than the current one. Kasi yung in-input ko ganun pa rin, so I will not forget. Okay, then I will change it to a new one. Mhm. Okay, so that's the name of the student, the test student. As I've said, I have two students registered here as test students. Okay, we will now continue. So with one magsaysay, there are two subjects na enrolled na siya. So where do you see your courses or your subjects? Right here, my courses. Okay, this is the first screen that you will see, and then here is your dashboard for the courses. Okay, Alright. So si Juan Magsaysay is enrolled in two courses. And yung isang course niya or subject niya may assignment now. So right on this side of the screen, you will see the deadlines. Kung merong mga quizzes, assignments na in-schedule si teacher. Feedbacks, if the teacher gives you feedback. Messages, if your classmates or your teacher has sent you a message, you will see it here. Forum post. So, dito mo rin makikita kung merong forum na ginawa si teacher. Okay? So, here are your subjects. Now, if it happened that you are enrolled in your student copy, there are 8 subjects there. And then you only see 2 subjects in your dashboard. So, if you know your teacher, ask your teacher to enroll you in the course or in the subject. Okay? Now, if you don't know your teacher, perhaps there are group mm, there are groups in Facebook or in Messenger. You just have to ask your classmates if you know your classmates. Now, if you don't know anyone, perhaps you can report that to your program director, and your program director will help you find your teacher and advise the teacher to enroll you in the course. Okay? So, ganyan. So, if it's your first time to log in, this will be displayed. And I think that's about it. For first time first timers to log in to their OpenLMS account. Okay, so you can change your profile here. And if you want to change your password, this is where you can change your password too. If you want to put a picture here, upload a picture for your profile. So where do you go para i-change yung picture mo dyan or maglagay ka ng picture? You just go down and you will find edit profile, and here it is. This is where you can change your name, also encode your email and your city and your country, and you can even add a description about you. Now here's where you can change your picture or upload your picture. So ito yung pangalawang screen or screen na makikita nyo once you click upload picture. Okay? Do not choose server files nor recent files or private files. Just select upload a file. And then when you click on this, ito na naman ang lalabas. I'll choose file, and you just click here sa choose file and pumili ka ng picture. Say I'll choose this. So I have already downloaded some pictures. And there's nothing much to change here. Just let it be. And then upload this file. Then you will see the thumbnail of the uploaded picture. And eventually, this right here will change once we save the changes made. Update profile. Okay, saving it is by clicking the update profile there. So, ito yung kinlik natin kanina from My Courses and when we choose profile. Okay? So, ito yung lalabas. As you can see, makikita mo yung mga courses where you are enrolled in. Okay? And you will also see your login activity. Like, for example, today you logged in 7 minutes ago, and the last time you accessed the file. And you can also see the QR code so you can use it in your mobile. And when you um, log in, you can just use your QR code to log in automatically. Okay? And also, you have been provided a link to download the mobile app. Okay, this is via browser. Okay, we logged in to my OpenLMS via browser. You can also do that on your phone. Okay, if I am to choose between the app or the browser, I would choose the browser. Kasi yung display kay browser is just the same, almost the same as pag gumamit tayo ng laptop or computer or desktop computer. It's just that the view is somehow limited, but it functions the same as when you use a computer. Okay, so that's it. Now you can check here to see and explore ano ba yung mga nandito. Okay, we can click on the dashboard and we can see this. Yes, this is how your courses are displayed, and you can customize the page, of course. And we can go back. Let's go back. And also we have the grades. Okay, we can view the grades if per course, if we have already been graded. Okay. And then, so ayan yung mga grades. Let's say, for example, meron ka ng quizzes, assignments. So eventually, mag-display dito yung average grade mo. Okay, and let's go back to home by clicking home, of course, and going back to my courses. So next to grades is the preferences tab. I just click on that. Now, there's this thing. If you inputted your email address, any message, any activity that happens in my OpenLMS will you will be notified in your email. Okay, and by the way, I chose preferences, and here you can see edit profile, change password, preferred language, and many others. So, yun naman sinabi ko kanina na magsisend si OpenLMS ng activities or updates and even messages from your teachers, messages from your classmates. You will receive that in your email if you have provided your email in your profile. So, how do you turn it off? Punta ka lang sa message preferences. And then, okay, as you can see, you can restrict the receiving of message by, for example, my contacts only. That is, if you have contacts on your account and my contacts and anyone in my courses. So that includes those who are not in your contacts, like your classmates and everyone else enrolled in the course. So notification preferences, you will see that in the activity stream, lalo-lalo na dun sa dashboard mo. But if you don't want to receive via your email, you can turn this off by sliding it to the left. Okay, so again, you will not be receiving any email, any notifications, or activities, update on activities in your email once you turn this off by simply sliding the button to the left. Okay, and let's go back. And and of course, this is where you can log out. Okay, for example, you're inside this course and you want to log out, of course, nawala yung log out dito sa taas. So how do you go back? You can just click on My Courses on this one here, sa breadcrumbs, or you can click here and then there you will find Log Out. Okay? So I guess that's enough. Enough na yun. And you can explore on your own when you use my OpenLMS for the first time. I used the computer, the laptop to log in to my OpenLMS, and I use the browser Chrome. So you can also use Mozilla and other browsers, Microsoft Edge. So, pwede nyo ring gamitin. Okay. Next is how do you log in using your mobile phone? Okay. So, we have two options. Logging in via the browser or via the app. Kasi merong app si My OpenLMS dun sa Play Store and sa App Store ng iOS. Okay, I'm going to log out now. And that's it for logging in using the browser in your laptop.